Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Unbreakable Machine Doll. So in this anime story, there are some special dolls and there are some special humans who can control them. Using their dolls, they can do a lot of stuff, good or bad. So now in this anime story, our main character, he is also one of those doll users. But as for him, his doll is kinda different. Unlike other dolls, his one have emotions. That's why our main character's doll really likes our main character and wants to marry him. That's not really the point of the story, but still. So this is a revenge story where our main character's family got murdered by some doll user. To find the murderer, our main character gonna start attending a special academy. He thinks that murderer could be here. So now what's gonna happen? Will he able to find the murderer? To find out, you have to watch the anime. In this anime story, our main character just transferred into a new high school, but because of his unusual hair color, everyone thinks he is a delinquent. That's why he never really managed to make any friends in this high school. So one day, he saw one of his classmates talking to herself. So our hero was trying to ignore that, but that girl, our heroine in this anime, she had a different plan. So she made a club and forced our main character to join the club. In this club, they're gonna learn how to make friends. A lot of other girls gonna start joining this club. With that, it's gonna be a fun, entertaining story. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Meo Chiki. In this anime story, our main character from his childhood getting abused by girls, especially girls from his own family. They used our main character as a punching bag. Because of that, our main character developed a girl's phobia. So now he is in high school. If he even get close to a girl, his nose started to bleed. So on his high school, there is our rich, popular, beautiful heroine. So one of our family butler always stay with her. So one day, while trying to use bathroom, our main character found out that butler, that's a girl. But for some reason, our main character nosebleed doesn't really happen if we get close to her. So from this point, their kinda entertaining relationship begins. So what gonna happen between them? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is My Girlfriend is a Show Bitch. So just for your info, Show Bitch is a short form of Shoujo Bitch. So it's a borderline ecchi anime. I would say almost too much in some point. So in this anime, our hero is a high school student and he really likes his class representative, one of the beautiful girl in the school. So our heroine, she's supposed to be the best at everything, sports, study, beauty, just all around. Without any hope of ever getting accepted, our hero confesses his love to our heroine and somehow our heroine agrees. But later he found out our heroine has a dark side too. So she is an all-around perfect girl in a relationship, but with that, she has a slutty personality. So she just want to do naughty stuff with our hero. So that's the only thing on her mind most of the time. I thought that's the boys thing. So now what gonna happen in this relationship? You will find out after watching this one. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.